In this video, we're going to show you guys how to hook our smartphone module up to this style remote start box. In the smartphone module kit, you're going to have the actual module, and then you're going to have our harness. So go ahead and simply plug in the harness to the smartphone module. On the other end, you're going to see a yellow loop, and then you're going to see 3 adapters labeled DEI, ADS, and Fortin. You're going to use one of these. The other 2 will not be used. The tag on the wires represents what protocol that you guys need to set the app to in the next step. For this application, we're going to go ahead and use the ADS. The other 2 will not be used. And you're simply going to plug in the ADS port into the blue port. After the module has been connected, you guys are going to see a couple LEDs come on in this clear window over here on the side. There's going to be a red LED and a green LED. After a few seconds, both LEDs are going to start flashing. That means the module is searching for the network. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for the LEDs to become solid. And once they're solid, that means that network connection has been successful. So now what you're going to do is set the app up. And after you have the app completely set up and you set the protocol, it's going to take about 5 minutes for the protocol setting to take place in the module, and then you guys will be good to go. Some modules require a pairing process between the remote start unit and the app module. This particular application does not require any pairing. So go ahead and move on to the next step. So what you guys are going to want to do is go into the App Store and you're going to search for CL6. That's CL and then the number 6, just like that. Hit the search. It's going to bring up 2 apps that look similar. So there's the one at the top here that says CL6, and then there's another one that has a similar icon that says BTLR, which is Bluetooth long range. You do not want to download the Bluetooth version because it will not work. You guys want the one that is labeled CL6 right here. So go ahead and install that. And then once it's downloaded, we're going to go ahead and just click on the app. You're just going to hit register, enter your information here. So you got email, your name, phone number, and then click on the register button. Now make sure that you guys go into the email and click on the link that was sent to you. You'll be able to set your own password and then you'll be able to log in. So go ahead and fill out this information, go to your inbox, and then click on the link. Now, once you guys click on the password link in the email and set your own personal password up, you're going to come over to the app again and click log in and then enter the email and the password. Once you guys log in, you are not going to have any vehicles in this list right here. All you're going to have is an add vehicle at the bottom with the big plus sign. So you guys are going to click on the plus sign. So here you guys are going to enter the serial number of the app module. This is not the remote start box. This is the app module that looks exactly like the unit pictured here on the screen. So go ahead enter the serial number, and then submit code. It's going to bring you to a screen where it prompts you to select the protocol. Now it's telling us that it's not set yet, so we're going to go ahead and click OK. And now this is kind of like a wheel, so just scroll up and down. And then you guys are going to select whatever is plugged into the module. So remember, you guys have three options. There was ADS, there was Fortin, and there was DEI. So whatever connector you guys have plugged into your remote start box, that is what you're going to use. And remember, you're not ever going to plug in all three connectors into the remote start box at the same time. You're only going to pick one. So your choices are ADS, Fortin, or DEI. The other ones in this, you're not going to use. So just go ahead and click the one that you have plugged into your remote start module. Now, once you guys have the protocol set, we're in the configuration screen. So we can go up here and name our vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and label this Tacoma. We're going to click OK. And then we can configure the year, the color, the model, the trim, all that good stuff. So now we have our name, our color, we have our protocol set. The auxiliaries you guys are not going to use. And then when it prompts you guys to enter the retailer's phone number, you have to type this in. So it's 888-880-8838. You have to type this in. Do not type your phone number in because it's going to screw it all up. So type in 888-880-8838 and click confirm. It's going to double check, make you confirm it. So click OK. It's going to bring up all of our information. And then you can go back, click the accept in the top right. So the next thing we need to do is remove the vehicle from test mode. So all you do is click the three lines in the top left, click My Garage, which is your second one down. So now find the vehicle that you added, click Release Vehicle over on the right, and you're going to release it. Do not transfer or cancel. Always click Release. So go ahead and click Release. It's going to disappear from your lineup here. And you're going to hit the plus button again. And now go ahead and enter the serial number in one more time. You guys will not be in test mode, and then you'll be able to operate the remote start and the lock features from the app. I'm going to give you a quick demo of our smartphone module here. As you can see, I have the Huracan pulled up, but just to give you guys a quick demo, you got a lock button here. It'll lock the car. Unlock button. It unlocks the car. You can see the handles popped up. And then the remote start, you just simply tap it. And then same process with the key fob. You're going to have to wait for the electronics and all that stuff. And then there she goes. It'll have a timer right here. It takes about 15 seconds or so for that timer to populate, but it'll give you the countdown. Remote stop. You can hit this button. It'll turn the remote start off. And then you obviously have signal as far as GPS signals, and then the battery voltage. You can come here. We're not going to do anything with auxiliaries on the Huracan, but you can hit the map button and it will pinpoint GPS location. This isn't necessarily a tracker, it's more like you can ping it and see where your car is real time. So, you know, you can do satellite, zoom in, it'll show you where we're at. So anyway, that's it for this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to holler at us.